Hello everyone, this is the next part of chapter 2, that is Boolean algebra. In previous video we will discuss about the Boolean's law, different types of Boolean's law, and what is the use of Boolean's law. The use of Boolean's law to simplify the expression. We have to use a Boolean law to simplify the expression. So another method of simplify the Boolean expression, that is called K-map. K-map. By using a K-map, we also simplify the expression and convert into minimum term. There are two methods of simplify the any expression. First one is Boolean's law, second one is K-map. The Boolean's law discussed in the previous video. Today we will discuss about the K-map, what is the K-map and how we can compress or express the simplify the Boolean expression. So let's start the today's class. So our topic is K-map. The K-map. The full form of K-map is Karnaugh map. The full form of K-map is Karnaugh map. By using a Karnaugh map, we can simplify the expression. We can simplify any expression. It's reduced in the form of only the term, that is SOP and POS. SOP or POS, this is the type of expression. This is the type of expression. In the previous video, we will discuss about the SOP and POS and what is the difference between SOP and POS. So you can watch my previous video to better understanding of SOP and POS. Here also I am discuss the example of POS and SOP. So this is the example of POS and SOP. SOP, that means firstly we multiply, after that add. Full form of SOP, sum of product, that is sum of product. Sum of product. The full form of POS, that means product of sum. That means firstly we have to multiply, then do a sum in the SOP. But in the POS, firstly do a sum, then do a multiply. So here this is the example A, B. Here A, after that multiply, that means product. So it is in the form of POS and SOP, and this is the form of POS. So let's start a K-map. The K-map are divided into 2, 3, 4 types. Here the first one is 2 variable K-map. The K-map also is 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map, 4 variable K-map. 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. In this video we will discuss about the 2, 3 and 4 variable K-map and only the diagram of K-map. So 2 variable, that means only two value. Suppose 2 value, that means if I am written the binary number of 1 to 10, the binary number of 0 is 0, binary number of 1 is 1, binary number of 2 is 1 0, binary number of 3 is 1 1, binary number of 4 is 1 0 0. So here this is 1 variable, this is 2 variable because it contains 2 digits. So in the 2 variable we can take a 4 value, 0 1 2 3. I am written 0. We can take a 4 value because in the 2 variable it goes to 0 to 3. So this is, we make a 4 boxes because in 2 variable there is 4 value, so we can make the 4 boxes. This is for 0, this is for 1, this is for 2 and this is for 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is the boxes and this is the number of that boxes. That means this is the box for 0, it is reserved for 0, this is reserved for 1, this is reserved for 2 and this is the reserved for 3. So suppose variable, the name of variable is A and B. So 0, that means we have only written in the SOP form. In the SOP form, 1 that means A, 0 that means A dash. But in the POS form there is different A that means 0, A dash that means 1. Both are different. So we can solve only a SOP form. After completing a SOP form, next we will discuss about the POS form. So we can solve this question the form of SOP. So in the SOP, 1 that means A, 0 that means A dash. So here A and B. Here A and B. So 0 that means A dash B dash. A dash B dash. So here using A and B. In this column write B and that one write A. So 0, 0 that means binary number of 0 is A dash B dash. So 1 that means A dash B. A dash B. Next 2 that means 1 or 0. 1 that means A. So A. 0 that means B. 0 that means B dash. So here we write B dash. Next 1 1. 3 4 1 1. 1 1 that means A or B. So here A B. Don't forget this one. A1 1 that means A. 0 that means A dash. Here 0 1 2 3. So binary number of 0 is 0 0. That means A dash B dash. Binary number of 1 is 0 1. That means A dash B. Binary number of 2 that means A B dash. And the binary number of 3 that means 1 1. That means A B. So we have to write here. So in that column or that row, for that column, for this column, this is the column. In this column, which value is same? So there is a two value, A dash B dash, A B dash. So in this one, B dash or B dash. B dash is same. In this one, B dash is same. So here we write B dash. Next, by this column, which value is same? There is B. In this one, B is same. So we have to write only B. For the row, in the row, which value is same? In this row, there is A dash, B dash, A dash, B. So the same value is A dash. So here we write A dash. So now in this row, which value is same? In this row, there is a is same. So here we write A dash. So this is the form of K-map 2 variable. This is the form or basic form of K-map 2 variable. Clear that how we can write here 0, 1, 2, 3. Why we can 4 variable? Because there is a 2 variable map. 2 variable, that means in the 2 combination of 2 values there is a 4 input. So that's why we making 4 boxes. So this is in the form of SOP. This is in the form of SOP. Next we discuss 2 variable for POS. 2 variable for POS. 2 variable POS. In the POS, 0 that means A, 1 that means A dash. The POS is different from SOP. The POS is different from SOP. POS 0 that means A and 1 that means A dash. So here is also a 2 variable, then again 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this is for 0 1 2 3. So here 0, this is A and this is B. 0 that means A, so A. 0 that means B. Here 0 that means A, 1 that means 1 is the position of B, so 1 that means dash value, negative value, so here we write B dash. Next 1, the value of 1 that means A that means 1 that means A dash, so here we write A dash, and 0 that means B, so here we write, because in the POS the value are different. A that means 0 and A dash that means 1. Here also A dash B dash, A dash B dash. So it is in the form of POS. So we have to put the add sign. Why? Because in the POS, that means sum of product. The sum is appear in the first position. So that's why we use a sum. We use a sum for this one, that means 0 0, that means a plus b, that means here a plus b dash, this for a dash plus b and this for a dash plus b dash. This is for POS. So 0 0, that means AB, a plus b. Here 1 1, that means a plus b dash. Again 2, this is for 2, a dash b, a dash plus b, and 3 for a dash b dash. So in this one, sorry, for column, firstly we see the column. In this column, which value is same? In this column there is b, there is b are same, so we have to write here b. For this column, which value is same? There is a b dash, so we have to write b dash. Next one is for this row, which value is same? In this row the value of a is same, and this one the value of a dash is same. This is the map of two variable for POS. POS, two variable. Let's see in three variable K map for SOP and POS. Here three variable K map for SOP and POS. So firstly see that three variable. In three variable there is three value a, b and c. There is three value a, b and c. So in this one we have to use 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, then 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 0 1 1 1, after that 1 0 0 0. So for three variable there is three input a, b and c. So only take from this to this, because this is the four variable, so we doesn't take this value from, we can take only 0. This is the binary number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So for the three variable, how many boxes is there? So this is the 0 to 7, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 boxes we can meet. Total 8 boxes we can meet. So here is the 8 boxes I am already made. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 boxes. So let's put the value. So here firstly this is for 0 1. For the K map, after 1 skip the third column, also the third row, but in this way only two row, not a third row. So only skip the third column. So skipping the third column 0 1, so here we write 2. After 2 here we write 3, 0 1 2 and 3, then 4 5, then skip the third row, that jump to the next, that is 6, and this is for 7. This is the value of three variable K map. Clear that? In that way skip the third column or third row in K map. Third row, third column we have to skip. So 0 1, then 2, then 3, 4 5 6 or 7. So this is the value. In 1 we have to use for SOP. We can make this K map for SOP. SOP that means 1 for A, 0 for A dash. So in the place of 0 we have to write A dash, or in the place of 1 we have to write A. So A 0, that means A dash, B 0, that means B dash, C 0, that means C dash. Here also A dash, B dash, C. Here also A dash, B, C dash, then A dash, B, C. Then A, it is 1, in the place of 1 we using A, then B dash, C dash, again A, B dash, C, again A, B, C dash, then A, B, C. This is the expression for the SOP 0 to 7. So we have to write the value. Firstly 0. The value of 0 is here like that. The value of 0, that means A dash, B dash, C dash. Then 1, that means A dash, B dash, C. Then 3. The 3 one is this. A dash, B, C. Sorry, this one is A dash, B, C or A, C dash. This is the 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, A, B dash, C dash, 5, A, B dash, C, 6, A, B, C dash, then 7, A, B, C. So, here. Now, we see the row or column. In the first row, which value is same? In the first row, here is A dash, B dash, C dash. Here is again A dash, B dash. Here is A dash, but here is not B dash, only B. So B dash is not common for all. Then here also again A dash. So in this row, only one value is same. That is a dash. So we have to write A dash. Then the next row. For the next row, here, which value is same? A and A. In the 4 boxes, 4 term, only one value is same, that is A. For the column, in this column, which value is same? Here A dash, here is A. Both are not same. But B dash, C dash, B dash, C dash. So, we have to take B dash, C dash. Then the second one, here is A dash, B dash, C. A dash, B dash, C. Here A dash is not same. But B dash, C dash is same. So we have to write B dash, C. Next one is A dash, A. Here BC. Here is BC. Next one is again BC dash. These are the common value. So in this one, in that one only A. For that one use a BC. There is a 1, 2 or 3. This is the 3 variable K map for SOP. Now we can change the question for POS. Here POS, that means 1 for A dash and 0 for A. So let's write the expression. Here this is the binary number and this is for SOP. Here for POS. We have to write POS. In the POS, here 1 for A, 0 for A dash. In the opposite of 1 for A dash, 0 for A. So 0 that means A. So A again plus B plus C. In the SOP, first one is multiply. So here is a multiply. But in the POS, first one is sum. So put a sum. Sum, that means addition sign. Again 0, that means A plus B plus C dash. Because 1 that means dash, negation value. Then next one is here A plus B dash plus C. Next A plus B dash plus C dash. Next A dash plus B plus C. Next A dash plus B plus C dash. Next A dash plus B dash plus C. Next one is A dash plus B dash plus C dash. This is the 3 variable. Now we have to write the value. This is the same for the POP. Numbering are same. So here we write 0, 1, 2, 3. Skip the third row, third column. Here is only 2 row. That's why we are not skipping a row, only a column. But for the 4 variable K map, we also skipping the row and column. Here after 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So next we write the expression. The expression of 0, that means a plus b plus c. Expression of the 1, that means a plus b plus c dash. Then 2, here 0 1 2, a plus b dash plus c. 3, a plus b dash plus c dash. 4, a dash plus b plus c. 5, a dash plus b plus c dash. 6, a dash plus b dash plus c. 7, a dash plus b dash plus c dash. So let's take the common value. So here is that for the row. For the row, which one is common? There is b or c. In those column, b plus c is common. So we have to write b plus c. And the next, here, b plus c dash, b plus c dash. So here we write b plus c dash, b plus c dash. Next one is in this one, b dash c dash, b dash c dash. So b dash plus c dash. Next one is here, a plus b dash plus c, a plus b dash plus c. Here b dash plus c, b dash plus c. This one is common. For the next one is row. For the row, here a is common. See, we have to write a. For this one row, what is the common? That is a dash is common. So we have to take a. So here is the a, and now it is here for b or c. This is the 3 variable K-map forming. So next we move to the 4 variable K-map. So the 4 variable K-map, here the 4 variable K-map, that means he take 4 variable a, b, c and d. The value of here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1, 1. So here the binary number of 4 variable a, b, c, d 0 to 15. I am written 16. But in the 15 there is 1, 2, 3, 4. But for the 16 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 variable. So we can't take the 16. We only take up to 50. For the SOP, and POS, we have write do. For the SOP, A, B, C, D, that means A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and 0, 0, 0, 1, that means A dash, B dash, C dash, D. Then again A dash, B dash, C, D dash. Then again 0, 0, that means A dash, B dash, C, D. Next, A dash, B, C dash, D dash. So also we write here up to 15, and next is the POS form. POS form, that means our firstly put a sum and 0 for A and 1 for A dash in the POS, and for the SOP 0 for A dash, 1 for A. So in the POS form it is opposite to this one, A plus B plus C plus D. Here A plus B plus C plus, here 1. So 1, that means dash, so D dash. Again A plus B plus C plus D dash, and again A plus B plus C dash plus D dash. Next one is A plus B dash plus C plus D. So also you write the SOP all the up to 15 and POS all to up to 50. So this is the expression of POS and SOP up to, this is the SOP and this is the POS from 0 to 15. This is the expression. So now we do firstly for the SOP. For the SOP, the number is that firstly 0, 1, 2, 3, because we have to skip we have to skip the third column and third row. So jump 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After the 7, this is the third row. So we have to skip this and move to the next row. So after the 7, that is 8, 9 and this is the third. Skip and jump 10, then 11. After that here is 12, 13. After this skip that 14 and 15. So 0 to 15. There is total 16 boxes to fill this SOP expression. So write the expression of SOP. Here this is the expression from 0 to 15. So firstly 0, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is the expression of SOP of 0. This is the 0. Then here is a 1 that means A dash, B dash, C dash, D. That means 2, A dash, B dash, C, D dash. Then 3, A dash, B dash, C, D. 4 is A dash, B, C dash, D dash. 5 is A dash, B, C dash, D. 6 is A dash, B, C, D dash. There is 7, that means A dash, B, C, D. 8, here is 8. Don't forget to write here. This is the 8. So we have to write here. 8, B dash, C dash, D dash. 9, A, B dash, C dash, D. 10, A, B dash, C, D dash. 11, A, B dash, C, D. Then 12, A, B, C dash, D dash. 13, A, B, C dash, D dash. 14, A, B, C, D dash. 15, A, B, C and D. This is the expression from 0 to 15. So let's take the common value from this expression. So here is a, firstly check the first column. For the first column, this is the value. There is A dash, B dash, C dash, D. A dash, B, C dash, D. A, B, C, D dash, A, B dash, C dash. So here is the C dash, C dash, C dash and C dash. Here is the C dash, D dash value is common. So we have to write C dash, D dash. And the next one is C, D dash, C dash, D, C dash, D, C, D dash. So we have to write C dash D. And the next one is again CD, 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 CD. So we have to put a CD. And this one is CD dash, CD dash, CD dash, CD dash. So take a CD dash. Clear that? For the next, for the row, again we take a common value. For the row one is, for the first row here, A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash. So we have to take A dash, B dash. Next one is A dash, B, A dash, B, A dash, B, A dash, B. So here is a dash, B. Next is AB, 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 AB. So here is a AB. Next one is AB dash, AB dash, AB dash, AB dash. So here is a AB dash. This is the expression of SOP. This is the expression of SOP. Next we move to the POS. This is for POS. This is for POS. So for the POS, the value is same. For that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then skip. That is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So let's again write the value of POS. So the value of 0, is that here A plus B plus C plus D. Value of 1 is A plus B plus C plus D dash. Value of 2 is A plus B plus C plus D dash. Sorry, C dash D. Then here is some mistake, C dash D. Then 3 A dash, A plus B plus C dash plus D dash. Next 4. This is the 4. a plus b dash plus c plus d. 5 a plus b dash plus c plus d dash. 6 a plus b dash plus c dash plus d. 7 a plus b dash plus c dash plus d dash. 8 this is 8 a dash plus b plus c plus d. 9 a dash plus b dash plus c plus d dash. 10 this is the 10 a dash plus b plus c dash plus d. 11 a dash plus b plus c dash plus d dash. So I am written all the expressions. So next step to take a common value from the row and column. So firstly see this first column. In the first column the value is common, that is cd dash, c plus d. Second is cd dash, cd dash, cd dash, cd dash. So c plus d dash. Then c dash d dash, c dash d dash, c dash d dash, c dash d dash, c dash d dash. Then next one is cd, c dash d, c dash d, c dash d, c dash d. For the first row there is common value is a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. So here is a plus b. ab dash, ab dash, ab dash, ab dash. So here a plus b dash. Next is a dash b dash, a dash b dash, a dash b dash, a dash b dash. So here we write a dash b dash. Next is ab, a dash b, a dash b, a dash b. So here we write a dash b. So this is the design of the 4 variable K maps. Here we write here, for this is a plus b and this is c plus d. So this is the design of 2 variable, 3 variable and the 4 variable of K map. The design of 2 variable is like that for the SOP, and the POS is for like that, and the 3 variable is, this is the for SOP and this is the for POS 3 variable, and the 4 variable is that this is the 4 variable K map for the SOP and the POS. This is the 4 variable of K map. For the next video we will discuss about the question related to K map and the framing of K map. Framing group. The framing group we will discuss in the next video. So for the next video subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for the notification of the new video. Thank you everyone.